Do you know that when it comes to health, we often focus on our heart, muscles, or energy levels? But did you know that some of the most important health benefits starts right in your gut? Yes, your gut, often called the second brain. Your gut plays a huge role in your immunity, mood, and overall well-being. Today, we will explore the essentials of gut health and why it's a powerful foundation for a vibrant, balanced life. The gut, also known as the gastrointestinal tract, is a long tube that starts at the mouth and ends at the anus. It is responsible for digesting food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste from the body. The gut is made up of several organs, including the mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, and the rectum. Gut health is essential for overall well-being as it plays a crucial role in maintaining a strong immune system, optimal digestion, nutrient absorption, and even mental health. The gut is home to trillions of bacteria and other microorganisms that make up the gut microbiome, which is a complex ecosystem that influences various aspects of health. To maintain gut health, it is important to focus on the following essentials. 1. Probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy balance in the gut microbiome. They can be found in fermented foods such as yogurt, as well as in supplement form. By replenishing beneficial bacteria, probiotics can support digestion, boost the immune system, and improve overall gut health. 2. Prebiotics. Prebiotics are a type of fiber that serve as food for the beneficial bacteria in the gut. They can be found in foods such as onions, banana, and garlic. By promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria, prebiotics help maintain a healthy gut microbiome and support digestive health. 3. Fiber-rich diet. Fiber is essential for digestive health as it helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and supports the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes could provide the necessary fiber to promote gut health. 4. Hydration. Staying hydrated is important for gut health as it helps maintain proper digestion and nutrient absorption. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day can support optimal gut function and overall well-being. 5. Stress management. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on gut health by disrupting the balance of the bacteria in the gut microbiome. Practices such as meditation, deep breathing, and exercise could help reduce stress levels and support a healthy gut. Your gut is at the heart of your wellness journey. Maintaining a healthy gut is essential for overall health, as an imbalance in the gut microbiome could lead to digestive issues, nutrient deficiencies, inflammation, and a weakened immune system. By focusing on gut health essentials such as eating fiber-rich foods, adding probiotics and prebiotics, staying hydrated, and managing stress, you could support a healthy gut microbiome and promote optimal digestion and well-being. It's time to listen to your gut, treat it well, and let it guide you towards better health. Like this video if you found these tips helpful. Share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more insights on wellness and healthy living. Remember that a balanced, vibrant life starts from within, one small, loving step at a time.